how to set daily screen time on TikTok PC. And okay guys, here in your screen of your PC, okay, you'll have to do is go to TikTok or search on search bar the tiktok.com. Here in TikTok homepage on left side, go to profile. Here in profile, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can click this and now you can see here the TikTok settings. Here in TikTok settings on left side, okay, you can see here the screen time. Okay, click screen time. Here in screen time section, you can see here the daily screen time. And the daily screen time is off. So if you want to set this, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow to the right or arrow button on the right side of this daily screen time. And you can see here the switch button here. Okay, you can turn on to set the daily screen time. So okay, for my example, I set the same limit every day. So okay, for my example, I set into 1 hour. And after you set, click the done button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the daily screen time on my TikTok PC. So if you want to set into custom limit per day, okay, you can select this and set the custom limit per day. So for example, Monday, so okay, 3 hours, Tuesday, 2 hours, Wednesday, 1 hour, Thursday, 6 hours, Friday, 1 hour, Saturday, 2 hours, and Sunday is 5 hours. And after you set, click the done to save the settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the daily screen time on TikTok PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.